Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Simone, and today we're going to be reviewing this RPG headband wig. Now, I don't know if you guys are familiar with this headband wig, but I just did a video maybe last week with my first wig, and these headband wigs are becoming very, very popular. They're basically a revamped half a wig, but with a headband attached, and I am so here for it because it has made my life so much easier to just throw that wig on, especially on the days when you just don't feel like doing your hair, or if you have to run out to go run errands or go to the supermarket. So here you see I have this very interesting braiding pattern, but the only reason why it's like this is because I had a U-part wig on that I was wearing for a little bit, and so I didn't want to have to like redo my hair or anything, so I kind of just kept my hair as is. Now with this headband wig, you could just put your hair in a straight up ponytail and that's it. You don't have to have a braiding pattern. I just already had one and I didn't want to take it out because it was so neat and still new. So once you put the headband on, well, the headband wig on, you can just go ahead and insert the combs, use the Velcro headband to attach it in the back. Now this black headband is attached to the wig and it's the standard headband. That doesn't mean that you only have to wear this headband. You can get other headbands to put on top of it. So I have some lovely bees from my girl lovely Brianna, and I'm gonna go ahead and just use this for my edges just to give it a little bit of swoopy action. You guys know I usually like that. My forehead is so huge, so any little swoops makes a difference. Okay, so I want to show you guys a lot of different hairstyles that you can do with this headband wig, and then I also want to show you guys the different kind of headbands, even though I did show you in the beginning, but I want to show you how it looks on. So you can buy the headbands from them, or you can easily just, you know, rock your own headbands if you already have your own headbands and so forth. So the first style we're gonna do is your hair pretty much just being all down. Have the black headband with some sequins on, and I actually do like this one. I'm not usually a fan of color, but the pink one does look good with the brown hair. So this is how this one looks. Very comfortable. Now this wig, guys, is super comfortable. You know how some half wigs used to hurt back in the day? The combs would hurt. It wouldn't feel so secure. Your scalp feels sore. Not with this wig. It doesn't feel sore. It actually feels like you can't even feel it. I wore this wig in the airport last week, and guys, it did me justice. It just looks so natural, and that's what I really love about it. Now, this brown headband is probably my favorite because I just like things that are just basic and neat and just simple. So this one is really my favorite. I do have the gray one, previous video, that I absolutely love. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and probably wear this brown one more often. I wanted to show you guys how the back looks. It looks really good. It looks really natural. You don't have to worry about it looking super ridiculous when you put it up in a ponytail. So this is how this hairstyle looks. For the second hairstyle, we're going to be doing a high ponytail. Now, you guys know I love a high ponytail. I'm usually playing sports. I'm usually skating or doing some kind of outside activity. So it's important for me to be able to put my hair up. This wig is perfect for the gym, okay? And I want to stress that because you don't have to worry about lace, you don't have to worry about glue, gel, or any of that extra stuff. And again, as you can see, I can put it in a nice high ponytail and it's completely out of my way. So yes, this wig is 1000% gym friendly, and I absolutely love it. I love it. Now I'm going to take a little piece of hair and just wrap it around the ponytail, give it a little bit of a different look, a more revamped ponytail, and next, we're going to do half up, half down. Now, you guys know this is a staple hairstyle. I have to do this hairstyle with every chance that I get, okay? I just like how it looks. I feel like back in the day, the half a wig just looked so corny, and for some reason, this one just looks so natural. It looks so good, especially like with the hair being curled. I just love it. I couldn't imagine actually, like, this is also a perfect wig for the summertime. Honestly, it's an all year round wig. I love it. And it's just so cute. And then again, I wanted to go ahead and wrap a piece of hair around the ponytail just to see how it would look. It looks very beautiful. It looks very seamless. It's just, and the hair on this wig was so soft and amazing feeling. So I didn't have any tangles, I didn't have any knots with it. The hair already came curled, so I didn't really have to do anything to this wig besides just taking it out and putting it on my head. So definitely love that it's a straight out of the box type of wig. After that, I decided that I wanted to try a high bun, because a high bun is just the best hairstyle to wear, especially if you just want to do a cute little girly look. And then I just kind of fluffed it up with my hands and messed it up a little bit just to give it that messy look. But I actually loved the bun. It's so cute. And then for the last hairstyle, we have a low ponytail. Now this is just a cute, simple ponytail. Nothing like super slick down and sleek, but it still looks really nice. I think this is the perfect wig for people who go work a 9 to 5, like, or work a job where you have to actually leave the house and maybe you woke up late or something, or maybe you just want to look cute, say you just want to try different styles. I think this is the perfect wig for 9 to 5ers, to be honest. It's perfect. And honestly, even entrepreneurs, because there's some days where I look a hot mess and it's because I work out of the house. So even if I wanted to just feel beautiful in the house or just feel cute in the house, I could just throw this wig on and be like, okay. But thanks for watching this video, guys. Again, this wig is from RPG. That's me drinking coffee at like 8 p.m. in the night. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys really like this wig. Tell me what you guys think down below. Bye, guys.